I was sent this straining slash canning set for my review, and this is really awesome because it comes with so many different pieces. So depending on what you're looking to do, I feel like you will have everything covered. So this one here, I love this mesh one here. Like this is extremely fine here. So this one's going to be really good. You can kind of use this one as like a cheesecloth. This one will also be really good if you're like straining any teas or anything, something that's like super fine. Honestly, at first when I looked at it, I didn't even think that there were any holes going through it. I thought it was just like plastic. That's how fine it is, which is fantastic because I do find sometimes it's hard to find ones like these. And then you have one like this that is actually has the bigger holes here, as you can see. So this one's going to be good for like juices, getting rid of those like juice clumps and stuff like that if you don't want those when you're putting them into your like, your jars or your bottles. And it comes with these two different sizes here. So, and this just sits like right in here, and it's kind of neat because let's say for example you have these jars, let's say you have a mason jar or one of the bigger jars like that, this just sits on top. And this goes in here and you can pour it and it's going to strain it and it's going to go right into your jar. So depending on what size you have, obviously if you got some of those bigger jars, then you've got this bigger one as well, which I think is really cool. So you've got two of those. And then you also have the funnels, which is great because I like to make my own ginger and turmeric shots in the morning. So when I do that, I will then be straining it through here because the strainer I've been using is too big and I'm getting lots of clumps in mine. So I'm going to use this. And then I have the little jars. These ones might be too big. So this one's too big, but then this one, check that out. See, look how perfect that is. So we've got two different sizes here. These are the 2-ounce bottles and that fits perfectly in there. Again, I don't have any of these right now, so I've just been trying to free pour them in there and it's been getting all over the place. So having a funnel is going to be fantastic. And then if you have like the bigger, 6, 8-ounce jars, then you have the bigger one as well, which is really great. It does come with the 2 little cleaners, so that's going to make, clean up nice and easy. And then the other thing that's really cool is it comes with 4 of these. So these, we all know and love these. These are really great. You can kind of stick these on your wall or inside your cabinet, and then you can just kind of hang some of these, pieces there so that it's just like kind of not just thrown into a drawer, which is really great. And as I said, there are 4 of them. So if you are looking to get yourself a nice little strainer slash canning kit, this one I highly recommend.